What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to give you a full Textbot review, and I'm going to share with you exactly how you can start generating $100 or more per day on autopilot, just leveraging the Textbot software. Okay, now I'm on the screen right now. I'm actually logged into my account. Now, I've been using this Textbot software just a little over a couple months now. I've been doing other income streams as well, so this has not been my primary income stream. But just using this as a little side hustle, I've still been able to generate $5,300 to date. Okay, now I'm going to break down again what Textbot actually is, how it works, how you can start to use this software to generate, again, as much as $100 or more per day. And I'm also going to share with you some powerful bonuses you're going to be able to get access to if you decide to join Textbot through me at the link under this video today. Now, first off, what is Textbot? Well, like I've kind of alluded to, Textbot is a software that allows you to generate $100. Now, the cool thing is when someone pays you that $100, as I'll share with you in a second, you get paid instantly through whatever method you want. Okay, so I can go to my profile here. You're going to be able to see that you can put in a PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Bitcoin. Okay, so you can actually, Zelle, you can choose how you want to get paid. And when you actually make money with this software, you're going to be able to earn $100 instantly. Okay, so now how exactly does it work? Well, basically, there's a couple things you can do with Textbot. The first thing you want to realize is to actually join Textbot, it's just $100 to get access to this software to be able to promote it yourself and earn money. Now, what are you accessing with that $100? Well, you're actually getting a full sales funnel that will text people for you, that will convert your leads, that will follow up. And the beautiful thing is, if you already have a business, let's say you're already maybe in network marketing or affiliate marketing or making money online, you can use the Textbot software to promote that other business, and you can actually make money as well. Okay, so the cool thing is, if you become a reseller, okay, which means you actually want to promote this and earn commissions, which this is what I'm teaching in this video, you can actually copy your tracking link. Okay, this is your affiliate link. And when you send someone to this link, they get taken to this page. Okay, now when this person clicks play, this guy here will start talking to them, and they'll actually get them to type in certain things, okay, on the screen, interacting with them totally on autopilot. So if you've ever, researched businesses where you had to get on the phone, you had to like message people manually on Facebook, prospect, just bother your friends and family, this is nothing like that. In fact, it's an automated salesperson that will work for you, okay, while you're at the beach, while you're traveling to your ideal vacation spot, while you're relaxing, even while you're sleeping. This system, this program will still be converting people. Okay, so again, you can click play, and there'll be a link to actually check out this exact video. This is going to be how you're actually going to be able to join to access these incredible bonuses. Now, another cool thing with Textbot, because it really is as simple as getting people to this page, another cool thing is if you just pay an extra $10 a month, you will be able to get your own customized phone number. Okay. Now, with Textbot, they will give you a phone number, and all you have to do is tell people to text that phone number for more information. And what happens is the text bot, okay, the literal robot, will start replying to them in real time and will ask them questions, and the person will feel like they're talking to a real person. And if they answer and they, are interested, they will get led to the website, they will get led to buy, and you will actually earn money. Okay, again, the reason I love Textbot is because one, the instant paying 100% commissions of $100, those really add up. Also, it's a low investment, right? Almost anyone can find $100. You could not go out to eat for a couple weekends with your family. You can, save a little bit of money. You could charge a credit card. Anyone can really, that's serious, can find $100. So it's more of an impulse buy, where some higher ticket programs are going to take a little bit longer for people to convert. This is, the day that I started promoting this, I made, a few $100 sales. Okay, so it's really, really simple. And what you want to realize is that when you share that phone number, okay, this is what the process is going to look like. I've actually texted my own phone number from a different phone number, so you can kind of see the process. Okay, so if I go into a Google Voice account, you can see right here. So I messaged, okay, hey, And then the text bot replied. Okay, so this is actually my text bot that's going out there and replying to people. And it says, hey, this is Ava with Textbot. Ava is the name of the text bot. Okay, please reply yes to confirm your request and give me permission to send you automated text messages. And then so I said yes, and most people will agree. Thanks for giving permission. So you can respond stop at any time to be removed. So what's your name? Okay, now I can type in Garrett. Okay, because that's my name. Now, once you send that, again, in real time, this bot will see that information and start to reply, and ultimately will get that person to go to your website while you're not even there. Okay, so again, like right here, you can see, hey Garrett, go to, and then it's giving me the link to see how this works, and let me know if you have any questions. And if you have questions and reply, the bot will answer questions. Again, this is literally your own assistant that will go out there and reply to people for you. Okay, so it's absolutely incredible. And I love the automation of this. So I don't want to belabor this point much longer. Textbot's incredible. But now what I want to do is share with you some of the bonuses that you're going to receive if you just pay that $100 today through the link under this video. Okay, so the first thing is you're going to get the link to log into your account. Okay, that's how you'll be able to see your commissions, you'll be able to get your affiliate links, all that good stuff. Now, bonus number one is you're going to learn how to start getting leads and sales as fast as possible for free just using your Facebook profile. So I've made 6 figures just using my Facebook profile over the last 5 years. I know what works, I know what doesn't, and it's totally free. Okay, so you'll be able to watch that video and learn how to start generating leads, generating traffic, visitors to your TextBot presentation funnel to start to make these $100 instant commissions again and again, okay? I also give you 7 copy-paste ads that have been shown to be the best in my experience. Out of all the ads I've posted in the last 5 years online, these are the 7 best that have converted, that have gotten the most engagement. You're going to be able to swipe and deploy those on your Facebook profile, on your Instagram, on your Twitter to start to get massive engagement, start to get traffic as soon as today. And all you have to do is send people to your affiliate link with TextBot. Now, bonus number 2 is you can join the TextBot team group. If you ever have any questions, if you want more support, more proof to share with people, that group is very active, very good. Bonus number 3 is the bonus conversion blueprint. So sometimes when you market things online, you're going to have tire kickers, right? These are people that want to think about it. These are people that want to, they don't want to take immediate action. They don't want to get started now. And so with this video, you're going to be able to learn exactly how to convert those people today, okay? Not in a week, not in a couple days, today, okay? So this video is very, very powerful, step-by-step, 15-minute video walking you through how to do it. And in fact, many people watching this very video are going to find themselves eagerly going to the link under the video, pulling out their debit or credit card and making that $100 purchase. And I'm using some of the strategies I reveal in this video to do that. Okay, so you'll be able to learn that. And bonus number 4 is my sales sucking script. So, as you promote on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, sometimes people have a little bit of questions, or they'll get back to you and say, hey, I'm interested, but I'm not sure. This sales sucking step-by-step script will literally share with you, copy paste what to say. It's like a 3 to 4 message script that will convert up to 90% of the people you talk to. Okay, so if you do want a little bit of talking, this text bot will do virtually 90% of the work for you. But if you still want to have a little bit of conversation, or someone just messages you, you can literally use this. And you can apply this to any business, by the way. Okay, all of these bonuses can be applied to any other business that you may be in. So it's really, really powerful. These bonuses are well worth hundreds of dollars, well worth way more than the $100 investment. But I want to reward you for taking action today. Okay, so all you have to do, go down below and you should get taken to this link, okay? And all you have to do is just click play and follow the prompts, and you can go ahead and get started, okay? You can get started now. And what you want to do after you get started, after you invest that $100 today, go down, there's going to be an email in the description. Message that email, okay, your name or the email that you joined with, and I'll be able to verify that within 24 hours or less, and I'll shoot you over a reply to that email, the bonuses, okay? So you can start to go through these, again, as soon as today and start to make these commissions. So TextBot's incredibly powerful. I've been kind of using this on the, on the side. I haven't really been making a video about it, but I wanted to come clean. I wanted to come forward and share with you this incredible way to make money. So I hope you got value. If you have any questions about TextBot, be sure to reply and comment them under this video. Also subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step videos. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside, my friend. Take care.